Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Awang Aiman Syafiq bin Awang Kuhusni, and together here with me are Kevin Sia, Brian O'Neill, and Cyril Ulix. I will start off with the introduction. The topic of this presentation is the safety interlock system in petrochemical industry. In the ever-changing world of industrial operations, where accuracy and productivity are critical, worker safety and equipment integrity are top priorities. Today, we will be looking at the safety interlock system in petrochemical industry. Proper safety precautions are becoming more and more necessary as industries continue to change. Safety interlock system seamlessly integrate into industrial process to prevent accidents, protect workers, and secure valuable equipment. The purpose of this presentation is to further explain the critical role that this system plays in establishing a safe and controlled work environment. What is a safety interlock system? It is a mechanism made to guarantee the safe operation of industrial process, machinery, or other equipment. Its main purpose is to enforce a series of safety-related requirements in order to prevent or reduce potential dangers. These requirements must be fulfilled before a certain operation is carried out or before entering a dangerous location.
My name is Cyril Ulix. Interlock in industrial safety system can be classified into two main types: safe interlock and non-safe interlocks. Safe interlocks are designed to ensure worker safety and to prevent accidents. They are an essential component of safety instrument system with the goal of reducing or eliminating the risk of hazardous incident. Non-safe interlocks are primarily used for operational control purpose rather than safety function. They could be used, for instance, to regulate the flow of material through a process or to schedule the startup or shutdown of equipment.
A lot for multi-turn applications such as gate or glove, butterfly, and bova with gearbox is the interlock from the MTL series. There are two sizes available for the MTL interlock series, which is MTLS and MTLL. Model of MTL are offered with a single key or two key. The interlock is simple to mount on the valve, and by taking out the key, the valve can be locked in either the open or closed position. The valve is guaranteed to be locked in the desired position by the ability of a key to be released in either an open or closed state. Each type of valve has a different number of rotation. There is a field adjustable counting mechanism built into the MTL lock. The interlock mechanism need to be set in order to synchronize the opening and closing of the valve. To accomplish this, just tighten the 4 screw setting on the counter, which is housed inside the lock. Without having to shut down the system, the interlock can be installed on the valve while it is still in a live process and does not affect the system certified pressure envelope. The purpose of key cabinet interlock system is to control and safeguard key access by making sure that only authorized personnel can take out particular key for assigned uses. The working mechanism involves a combination of hardware, software, and access control feature. Before being able to access the key cabinet, authorized user must authenticate. Among the 8 authentication methods are key fob or RFID card. The second one is biometric scan such as iris, fingerprint and other. The third one is PIN number. An interlock mechanism in the key cabinet makes sure that only one key is accessible at a time. This is an essential safety measure to avoid error or unwanted access to.
A quarter-turn lock interlock system in a petrochemical setting typically involves a mechanism where the rotation of a key or actuator through a quarter of full circle, 90 degrees, is used to engage or disengage a lock. Process control valve, pipeline and other equipment in industrial settings are frequently equipped with this kind of system. Here's a step-by-step breakdown on how a typical quarter-turn lock interlock system works. An authorized operator or technicians presents their credential or uses a specific key to gain access to the quarter-turn lock interlock system. By placing the key or actuation device into the lock, the operator can unlock the interlock mechanism linked to the equipment or valve. The operator can adjust the position of the valve or equipment by turning the actuator a quarter of a turn while the interlock is disengaged. The operator secures the valve or equipment in place by using the key or actuation device to activate the locking mechanism once the desired position has been obtained. This workflow ensures that only authorized personnel can operate the valve or equipment, and the interlock system adds an extra layer of safety by enforcing specific conditions and preventing unintentional or unauthorized changes in the process. That brings us to the end of the presentation. The conclusion is, it is impossible to exaggerate the importance of safety interlock system in industrial settings. This system protects employees and the integrity of industrial processes against potential accidents. It is clear from our examination of the parts and how they work together that safety interlock systems are more than just devices. They are essential to safe workplace. Safety interlock system create a dynamic and adaptable safety net by continuously monitoring conditions through sensors, interpreting real-time data in control units, and executing precise action via actuators. The interlocking mechanism adds an additional layer, ensuring that safety conditions are not just monitored but actively enforced.